everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1965 Chevrolet Impala true super sport car, guys. Great car, man. Runs and drives excellent. Good, solid, straight body. Love it. Just a great car. I actually bought this car locally from a guy, Ken. Great dude. Matter of fact, I have to put this in the video. His buddy promised I'd say this. Their Italian buddy is the one who put this deal together. So, great group of guys. Matter of fact, about 5 years ago, I bought an Impala from these guys, an Impala wagon. Really cool car. But car guys, nice guys. This car is an original Missouri car. Again, it is an original Super Sport. He bought the car in 2018. Bought it locally. And pretty much it was like you see it. He said he put wheels and tires on it. He lowered it down a little bit. He fixed the air conditioning. And he also repatted and refoamed the seats. Everything he did, there's receipts in the trunk for. Didn't really know when the car was restored. It looks like a pretty fresh car, but I'm going to guess 10 to 15-year-old restoration. Very nice. Runs and drives excellent. Nice and straight down the road. Just a good, straight, old super sport car, guys. Not a whole lot that you can really nitpick. Couple things in the paint. Try to point that out as we go around. But the chrome and stainless is really nice. Very impressed with the way this car hits the road, man. Drives down the road excellent. Slick paint, that's mist blue metallic. I think it was actually originally a two-tone car. But I love the painted on pinstripe. They put the little Impala emblem in it. We've got the original window sticker for this car. And of course, I love this body style. I love the taillights on these cars. I believe the front windshield's been changed, but I believe the rest of the glass is original. Even if this was a factory air car, they've upgraded it to a vintage unit now, but that would have been your original air conditioning sticker on your from the factory. Love the 65 taillights. I don't think there's anything cooler, man. Little blemish, like I say, couple little things you can kind of nitpick, but very nice, guys. There's one on this side too, kind of low. I'd say something come up in the road, maybe tapped it or something. In fact, I'm not even seeing it. You got to get up on it to see it, that's for sure. But nice and straight down the sides. He put the wheels and tires on it. That's ZR rated rubber all the way around it. It also has 17 and 18 inch American Racing torque thrust wheels on it. I believe all this stuff's original, and it's nice. Car's only got 75,000 original miles on it. Like I say, nice and straight. Chrome and stainless is nice. I like that original torque thrust D look on that wheel, but it's got the bigger wheels. Dual chrome mirrors. They've upgraded it to disc brakes. Looks like the front suspension's all brand new. I believe this is a replacement block, guys. It was original 327, 300 horse engine in it though. Holley Street Avenger dual feed 4-barrel. They've got an Edelbrock intake. Of course, it's got the Ram's horn exhaust manifolds. You can see they put a front runner system on it. Power steering, power front disc brakes. They've replaced it with a vintage air unit, but it is in a factory air car. Has the original powerglide automatic transmission. MSD box is mounted over here. It's also got a Pro Billet distributor in it. Ron Francis aluminum radiator, so that thing should not get hot. He did tell me to make sure when you turn it's hooked up that there's an electric switch underneath the dash for the radiator or for the electric fan. You got to have it on for the air to work. Safety precaution is what that is. I have the same thing on my red truck. Pretty car, man. Like I said, I think that dual line, silver and blue pinstripe, so cool. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. I bought a bunch of cars down at a big show in Tennessee. Sorry, trying to get that leaf out of there. Nice stuff. Very happy with what we got. Good stuff. Just good quality stuff. So that stuff will be hitting the site. So make sure you're keeping track of us. You can watch our website or social media, Instagram, Facebook, and of course YouTube. I can't stress you enough. Subscribe to our YouTube page. That way you get a notification as soon as I post a video. Again, this interior, he believes this interior was all original. In fact, you can see a little wear on it. I think they've replaced that front cover, but you can see a little wear to it too. But he had the covers pulled off and it all repadded and refoamed. Factory bucket seats, console. He put the new sport teak wheel on it. Love that. Headliner's nice. It's a factory gauge car. 75,192. That's supposed to be your original miles. It's got the vacuum manifold gauge. Even the clock works in there. Padded dash. Dash is in great shape. Dual exhaust. It's got the original 12-bolt 331 limited slip rear end in it. That's there, guys. Owner's manuals, all that stuff. Looks like stuff he bought for that. This is all the receipts on anything he's done. Original window sticker. There is a jack in that. I believe that's what that is. A jack in there with a spare. It's all spackle coated like it should. Just had a little accident out here. Just a great car, man. Clean underneath, floors are nice and clean. Very impressed with this car. Just a good quality old Chevy right here. Just a little dust in there. It did get dusty at that car show, man. It was unbelievable. I had a black Challenger there. It looked great. It was unreal how dusty it was. But we were in definite need of rain, so we got some this morning. Nice car, man. Like I say, good. The stainless on the seats is nice. I mean, and it really hits the road good. Retrosounds radio. A little pitting there on your center console, but really nice. Handles are nice. Again, it's got the dual chrome mirrors. A-pillar chrome's nice. Air blow's cold, making this turn on. Car. Gauges look like they're all functional. Vacuum manifold gauge works. The switch is down there by for the electric fan is down there by the parking brake. Doors open. We missed a little dust on there, guys. Sorry. Love these taillights, man. Good sounding exhaust. Radio work?
Not getting power.
Not getting a station? Is it powered?
No,
Not getting power. I don't know if the radio's working. Guy, blower motors definitely works. Oh, sorry, yeah. You can turn that fan off. You don't have to run it unless you're running the air. You just got it. That's what it's required. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. You can also keep track of us on Instagram and Facebook. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button. That way you get a notification every time I post a video, guys. Pretty car, man. Very, very happy with that car. Like a crack in there. Again, it's the way it's been since he's owned it. Car sits good. Like I say, drives down the road. Excellent. Have a great day, guys.